This is the video inspection of the 1998 Haas HS1RP. Today's date is August 7th. Right now I'm running the spindle at 1500 RPM, so we'll go ahead and we'll ramp that up a little bit. That's going to be at 3000 RPMs. This is a 7500 RPM spindle. Now let's go ahead and go up to, let's go to 5000 RPMs. This is 5000. Go ahead and show you the inside of the machine. We'll go ahead and we can shut that off right there. All right, and now we're going to we're actually going to do a tool change right now. Let me go see if we can. I went the wrong way. We'll cycle it back a couple times here. And then one more time, so we can get a tool in there. We'll go run it one more time. Okay, now we're going to go to the handle jog and go ahead and jog around. Let me move this back a little bit. We're doing the Z right now, and then we'll go X, and then back the other way. And then we'll go with the Y. All the waves sound really quiet. Okay. We'll go look at the other pallet real quick. This is the other side. Look at back from this side here, and we did replace the windows on both sides, so those are done, and new seals. And this concludes the video inspection. The HS1RP.